Assalamualaikum and good day my awesome student. Today in this video we will cover selection control structure. How to design a solution for a single selection only. Selection control structure defines two courses of action depending on the outcome of a condition, in which the choice of action to be done either true or false for that condition. What is single selection? Single selection is a process to solve a problem to determine an action, either true or false. When it is true, it will perform an action, but when it is false, it will do nothing based on the condition or do next statement after the case of condition. Before this, we only cover sequence control structure. Look at the flowchart given here. You can see, start to find age of a person. You start and then you enter birth date and current year. Then you calculate age, which you minus current year minus with birth date. Then you get the age. Okay, you get the age, and then you display the age. How about we go further with the age? Continue to check whether the person is old when the age is more than 40. You can see here the symbol here, flowchart here. I draw a symbol like that because this is a on-page connector. If you don't have enough space, what you need to do is you put on-page connector here, and then if you want to continue in another side, you just draw same circle and then put number 1 there. So we know that it will continue from this sequence control structure and then continue with this next flowchart. Okay, how to answer that? We just continue with the symbol diamond flowchart. Simple diamond means condition statement. If age is more than 40, if true, what you need to do? You just print you are old, then and it will stop. But how about if age is less than 40? That means false, get false condition. So you will do nothing, just stop the condition because there is no other statement after this case of condition. That means single selection will perform an action if the case is true. If not, it will do nothing and go to the next statement. If you have any statement after the case of condition, it will do that statement. Let's proceed with one example of single selection. Problems determine the status you are a minor when age is below 18. Problem analysis: input age, process determine whether the age is less than 18. Output message you are a minor or no output. Remember, if this case is a selection, make sure your output must have 2. Between you must put or, because this is a single selection. Either you do it message you are a minor or do nothing. That means you just write down no output. This show that this problem is a single selection. Okay, how about its pseudocode? Start, read age. Okay, computer will read age. Then computer after read the age, computer will read if age is less than 18, the computer will display you are a minor. If not, and if, that means do nothing, that means the computer will end the process. Let's proceed with the flowchart. Start, then read age. Computer, you can see When you read H, input console will come out, and then you can enter H. If the user enter 15, what will happen? If H is less than 18, is it 15 less than 18? True. So if true, print you are a minor, and output will come out, print out you are a minor. Then stop. Okay, how about if with more than 18, you start, you read H again, and then you put number here 20 when you read, and then computer will read if condition H is less than 18, 20 is less than 18, false, right? False, so computer will stop, do nothing, the output will nothing to be displayed. This is what is meant no output. Okay, let's try another example. The problem is to determine whether the gender entered by user is a man or not. If the user enter M, therefore you are a man. So let's see how you answer the problem analysis. How you do problem analysis. Input gender, process, determine whether the gender is equal to M. Okay. Output message you are a man or no output. Okay, let's proceed with the pseudocode. Start, read gender. If gender is it gender equal to M? This is how you should read that statement. Is it gender equal to M? So if true, display you are a man. And if to show that there is nothing to do if false occur in this condition, then N. Let's see the flowchart. Begin, read gender. Okay, when you read the gender, input console will come out, enter your gender, and then user will enter M. After user enter M, okay, see, user enter M, computer will check the condition. If gender enter is equal to M, is it gender enter is equal to M? Is it gender enter is equal to M? Okay. If true, yeah, for sure it's true. So print you are a man. So you can see output you are a man. Then stop. Okay, how about if false happen? Again, begin, read gender. You can see input console will come out, and then user will enter F. See, user enter F. So what happened? If is it gender is equal to M? F equal to M? Is it F equal to M? Is it F equal to M? For sure, it is false. So when false, you will do nothing. The output is no output for this case. Another example, determine whether the letter entered by user is Y or not. Then print if Y, yes, it's true. So, do problem analysis. Input must be a letter. Process, determine whether the letter is equal to Y. Message, yes, it's true or no output. Okay. Make sure you write determine whether the letter is equal to Y or not. It depends on you. If you want to write or not, it's up to you, but actually no need to write or not, because determine whether actually already shown that letter is equal to Y or others. Okay, so pseudocode start, read letter, computer will read the letter, and then computer will read, is it the letter entered by user is equal to Y? Is it the letter entered by user is equal to y, display yes is true. When the letter is equal to y, display yes is true. And if, and then stop. Okay. Let's check the flowchart. Start, read letter. When read letter, computer will prompt user to enter letter, and then user will enter y. Okay. Then computer read. Is it letter enter? This letter enter. Is it the letter enter is equal to y? Is it the letter enter here? Y is equal to what? Okay. If true, yes, it is true. So print yes, it's true. So you can see in the output, you will see yes, it's true will come up. How about false? When false, that means nothing to be done. Okay. Why this y have one code? Computer understand the letter y as a character. When you put one code, if not, computer cannot understand, and computer will misinterpret it as a variable. Okay, letter as a variable, y with one code as a character. That means if you want to compare letter with number, you no need to put one code. Letter, you want to compare it with character, you must put one code to show that that is a character. Y is a character. Okay, if you put double quote here, that means you want to say it as y is a string, not a character. So if you want to compare string and character, if string, you put double quote, or message double quote, one quote is a character. If you want to compare it with a number, you just put number, no need to put one quote or double quote. Let's try another example. Determine whether variable a and b are the same or not. Okay, input a and b. Okay, because need two variables to be compared. Process determine whether a is not equal to b. Output message a and b are not the same, or no output. So let's see the pseudocode. Start, then read a, b. Then if is it a not equal to b, display a and b are not the same. And if true, display a and b are not the same object. If a not equal to b, if true, so display a and b are not the same object. If not, it will just end the process, no output. So start, read a and b. When read a and b, means user will enter a 5, enter b 6. Then if a not equal to b, is it 5 not equal to b? Is it 5 not equal to b? B is 6. Is it 5 not equal to 6? Is it 5 not equal to 6? True. So print a and b are not the same object. And so you can see the output like this. And then how about if false? Input and output is 5, both a and b entered by user. Okay, is it 5 not equal to b? So false. When false, it will no output given here actually, and end the process. As an evaluation, I want you all to try all these examples to be answered by you all.